bird machine. Check.
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're actually got some pretty surprise going on today for the Supra. We got an HKS exhaust for it. Let's just get right to it. This little thing right here. So this is not a little. This is not.
This factory, bro.
Factory exhaust.
Yeah, factory TRD.
TRD edition with the little slit in the middle, you know.
Wow, it's fucking white.
Trying to say.
No, that's what we're doing. But
Not the extension
we don't have any.
It's Nissan again.
Oh my god.
But we get right there, huh?
You still feeling great.
Shit's sad, though.
When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder.
Or the hero.
What's up?
Dude, what? Why are we using a Sawzall?
The Sawzall didn't work, so we're going back to plan A. We're going back to plan A. Oh yeah, what's plan A? Yeah, plan A is just cutting it right off with a cutting wheel.
Isn't this a bolt-on exhaust?
It's supposed to be.
Straight from Japan, guys. Straight from Japan.
It's from the rice patties, guys. It's from the rice patties from the motherland. Yeah, I mean, if you look at the diff underneath here, let me see that camera. If you look underneath, there's nothing but like mesothelioma and like every known AIDS like to the planet underneath like this diff right now.
Paul, what you got there? The headlights, guys. Ooh, so pretty. Damn. So much cool. Paul, how long did it take you to do this?
Couple hours.
Not bad.
I'll fucking do it. Get the fuck out the way.
Oh fuck! What? Coming out anyway. Hello, my name is Jason. I come from Japan this time, right?